everyone, so we are going to look at how to conditional format in a Google Sheet. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and type in a problem. Okay, what is 29 plus 37? Now I could add in pictures or a word problem, whatever you want to add here, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to do a quick and easy, what is 29 plus 37? So once I've done that, I'm going to select this cell over here. So these are my answer choices. And then I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to click Format, Conditional Formatting. So again, I did Format, Conditional Formatting. And then right here, Format Cells. So this means give it this rule. So I want this to happen if this happens. So you have a bunch of choices here. I'm going to choose if it is equal to 66. I want it to turn green so that my students know that they have gotten it correct. And then I'll click Done. Okay, and then I can close that. So 66, enter, and it turns green. Now, if I type in the wrong answer, let's say 64, nothing happens. If I want something to happen, if the answer is incorrect, to show them that they did not get it correct, I will have the cell selected. I will go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to add another rule. And I want it to say, if it is not equal to 66, I want it to be red. Or you could do a different color. I want it to be purple. And then I'll click Done. So there's nothing in it, so it's purple. When I put 64 in it, it stays purple. When I put 66, it turns green. All right?